This is Session 9, Leadership Skills. In today's session, we will cover what leadership is and the characteristics of a good leader. Think of who has influenced you as a leader. What characteristics did they have? Why do they still influence you? How has this behavior impacted you? The dictionary definition of leadership is the ability to guide, direct, or influence people. Leadership is the capacity and will to rally men and women to a common purpose and the character which inspires confidence. Leaders are made, not born. Leadership develops daily, not in a day. It is a process. Leadership starts within you. Look at yourself deep down. Look at your dreams. Are you living up to them and your full potential? There are 10 characteristics that good leaders have. The first is character. You should never deny your own experiences and principles. You should walk the talk and be honest with yourself. Charisma is another characteristic of good leaders. First impression can seal the deal. Be more concerned about making others feel good about themselves and making them feel good about you. You can get more from people under the spirit of approval than under the spirit of criticism. Commitment separates doers from dreamers. It starts in the heart and is tested in action. You need to measure your commitment and make your plans public to make you follow through with them. Communication is essential to becoming a good leader. Without it, you travel alone. It is essential to share knowledge and enthusiasm. Make your message simple and clear. Know your audience and show the truth. Seek a response. Action is the goal. Competence is another characteristic of good leaders. Say it, plan it, do it. This way you really know what you are trying to get others to do. Show up every day. Seek to excel daily, accomplish more than expected, and seek to inspire others. Courage is doing what you are afraid to do. It is having the power to let go of the familiar and explore new ideas and territories. Lastly, courage is making things right, not just smoothing them out. Smart leaders believe only half of what they hear. Understanding and intuitive leaders know which half to believe in. Find the root issues, enhance problem solving, and use your gut and your head. If you chase two rabbits, both will escape. Focus is another essential characteristic of a good leader. Focus 75% on your strength. Focus 20% on new things. Focus 5% on your weaknesses. Create an edge. Good leaders are generous. Your candle loses nothing when it lights another one. Giving is the highest level of living. Be grateful for what you have and put people first. Regard money as a resource. Give. The last characteristic of a good leader is initiative. Success is connected to action. Be an initiator and look constantly for opportunity, as timing is everything. Push yourself to start something new now. Be a servant leader. See the future, engage others, reinvent continuously, value results and relationships, and embody the values. Here are some take-home points from this session. Leaders are made, not born. There are 10 important characteristics to good leaders. Lastly, it is important to be a serving leader. Thank you for watching this session. If you would like to review the content of this session, feel free to print and download the PowerPoint slides found at the bottom of the module section of this online training. You can also refer back to your Community Health Advisor manual you received in the first half of your training. You may now move on to the next session, Adult